Prompt tokens. Prompt tokens are the small text units that an AI model counts and processes when you send it a prompt. Think of them as the basic pieces of text the model actually sees, instead of raw characters or full words. A simple way to picture prompt tokens is to imagine a sentence being chopped into Lego-like pieces that are sometimes whole words, sometimes subwords, and sometimes punctuation. The model does not reason over your sentence as one big string. It reasons over this sequence of tiny standardized blocks. For example, a short prompt like, "Summarize this email politely," might become a few dozen tokens, and both your input tokens and the model's output tokens are what providers use to measure context usage and pricing. This token counting sits on top of the tokenization process you might know from the separate concept of tokenization in AI. Prompt tokens matter because they define how much context you can fit into a request, how long responses can be, how fast the model runs, and how much you pay. Remember, prompt tokens are the Lego-sized text units an AI model actually counts and processes.